Hi guys, welcome to A Cumbrian Lad Outdoors and welcome to today's video. As you can probably see, we're already starting to lose the light and we spent quite a few hours just actually getting started doing some work at the permission. So it's not going to be a massively long video this. So what I'll do is I'll spin you around and I'll show you what we've been up to. So a massive thank you to Dave from Mooster Outdoors who brought along a 3 by 2.5 meter builder's tarp and left it with us. So we've actually used that to start a log store. Time's kind of getting away from us a wee bit, but we are eventually going to make a proper lean-to and walls on it and everything. But just to start with, we've got some wood underneath cover drying away. And as you can see by the debris, we've chopped a lot of firewood. We've got the fire going and we're just getting ready to cook some food. Once that dies down a wee bit and we've got some embers, we'll rake it back into the keyhole part of the fire and we'll get some food on. And I've made a bench, kind of, in a fashion. My first gun at doing one of them, so it's a start. You've got to start somewhere. So yeah, that's what we've been up to today. Usual setups. I'm in my DD 4x4, but I've actually put it into my favourite configuration tonight. It's the A-frame, just with the front side opened up with a couple of sticks. Just means you can see out. We're not forecast any rain tonight or any wind. It's absolutely still as you like. I don't know whether you can see, we've got some leaves coming down here and they're just coming straight down. In fact, I'll spin you around. You can see there, smoke from the fire has just gone straight up. So yeah, all's good. Right, I'll bring you back when we're putting some food on. Alright, what time are we at now? Quarter to 8. Been putting it off. We've all been a bit lazy, but definitely time for some food. So bacon butties it is. Hey?
Where you going? On that other side?
Just get it fired on, son. Hang on. Rolls there if you want one. Trying to find the bacon. Right, let's get some bacon on. Bacon. What we got today? Smoked back bacon from farm stores. Get in my belly. Takes the size of that. Half a pig. Yeah, big butty.
I say that middle bit where the fire is there. Right there.
Sorry?
Where the main fire is. Tell you where to pull your embers from.
Alright. Can't get in at it though. It's cooking well, like. Everything's cooking. Oh, sausage cooking nicely, sir.
Sweet.
As is bacon. Half a pig. That's close enough for me.
Yeah.
Right.
Need food.
Bacon butty. Did some. Oh, she's full. Get up. Oh. Right, I'm going to wait and enjoy this, and I might mutter some more gibberish in the night, but if not, I'll see you in the morning. tea.
That's just going to be a birch forest, that bit.
Yeah?
Right.
I thought I heard you talking to someone.
Most of it's fucking birch. Needs a bit more diversity. No, it's this one that doesn't stick in.
Oh, bacon's ready. Morning guys. Right, that's me just about packed away now. We've had a cup of tea and a bite to eat in a sec. Like I say, just a short video today just to give you an update on what we've been doing at the permission. So yeah, time to get myself away home. So stay safe. Much love from a Cumbrian lad.